representatives from the police departments. I believe a few of them
Heck
are here
yes.
today. The next few slides will just highlight a few of the goals we are working towards. I'll point out some more recent statistics. From July 1st of 2010 through March of this year, more than 22,000 volunteers have contributed 290,000 hours with alone. As these volunteer numbers and that being said, we explore new and innovative ways to recognize our volunteers.
Está enojado porque lo han de comer. Está enojado. Está enojado, está enojado.
I'm also happy to show you a draft of the first page of the citywide volunteer newsletter. It will be distributed bi-monthly, electronically, and it will be another tool to promote volunteer programs and recognize our volunteers. Finally, we're also staffing volunteer tables at each of the budget meetings this month. This photo was actually taken at last night's District 3 meeting. In this photo are two very energetic volunteers from the Sunny Slope Community Center. That being said, in closing,
Me duele. A chingar a tu madre por allá.
Well, we are delighted you are there, and you have definitely been busy. And I think this is something that we've all supported very
Ahí vienes,
strongly.
ahí vienes.
Thank heavens we have such great citizens that do all this volunteer work for us, or we'd really be in the
Ah, ha, ha, ha. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Councilman, can I make any comments? No?
¿Ahora qué? ¿Ahora qué? ¿Ahora qué quieres? ¿Ahora qué? ¿Ahora qué quieres?
thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now go to item 4, strategic planning, economic development, and education. Mr. Carter, Mr. Gates.
Thank you, Vice President. As you know, we've been coming to the council with updates on our strategic planning efforts. The city manager and Jay Morris have been working on. And we'd like to talk to you today about the economic development and education
Allá quédate.
the strategic plan.
Allá quédate.
I wanted to just run through the individuals that served on the committee that were responsible for this portion of the plan. Tony Garvey, the city librarian, co-chaired the plan with myself. Private partners or champions were Jaime Malera with the Malera Alvarez Group and Todd Sanders with the Greater Phoenix Chamber of Commerce. And Jackie Johnson provided able assistance. Jackie is with the finance department. What I would like to do is very quickly today run through the 7 broad goals, and I would refer to them as aspirational goals in this element of the strategic plan. And then I would like to turn it over to Paul Blue to focus on some very specific things that we're focused on right now relative to economic development and the need to improve economic conditions in the city of Phoenix. And then we'll come back at a later meeting and talk about the educational elements of the plan because we do know how important the side is right now. So the large goals in this section of the strategic
Está enojado, está enojado.
business sectors,
No han de comer.
environment for entrepreneurial growth, and include small business, revitalize the urban areas of Phoenix,